Welcome back to the 2026 Cadillac Escalade, a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Exterior. The Escalade's bold design features a prominent square grille, vertically oriented LED headlights, and, for the first time, 24-inch alloy wheels. Its elongated, boxy silhouette is accentuated by blacked-out pillars, creating a sophisticated floating roof effect. At the rear, vertically oriented taillights and dual exhaust outlets emphasize the Escalade's powerful stance. Interior. Step inside to experience an interior where luxury meets innovation. The centerpiece is a 55-inch curved display that seamlessly integrates the driver and passenger screens, providing an immersive digital experience. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship envelop the cabin, ensuring every journey is in unparalleled comfort. The available executive second-row package offers a center console with a rear command center and dual 12.6-inch touchscreen displays, catering to passengers' entertainment and convenience needs. Performance. Under the hood, the Escalade offers robust engine options. The standard 6.2-liter V8 engine delivers 420 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive performance. For those seeking exhilarating power, the Escalade V features a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 682 horsepower, ensuring an adrenaline-pumping drive. Embracing the future, the all-electric Escalade IQ offers over 200 kilowatt-hours of battery capacity, providing an estimated range of 450 miles on a single charge. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade stands as a testament to automotive excellence, seamlessly blending luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Experience the pinnacle of driving sophistication with the Escalade, where every journey becomes extraordinary.